So much of what you take for granted in your everyday online life, like using a search engine, shopping, and using social media, is made possible by JavaScript. Nearly all of the interactivity you experience online, like drop-down menus or the autocomplete function, is facilitated by JavaScript. JavaScript is most well known for being the programming language of the web, but it has become so much more. Now, it is used not only for the front-end development, but also for back-end development, and you can even create mobile apps using JavaScript and React. Without JavaScript, the modern software development landscape would look a lot different. Because it is such a powerful tool and so integral to software development, it is important for you, as a new developer, to know how it works and how to use it. In this course, starting with Module 1, you will cover an introduction to JavaScript that will help you understand how it is used in the real world. And you'll learn how to set up Visual Studio Code and install the Code Runner extension. This module also introduces you to programming in JavaScript, which includes learning about variables, data types, operators, strings, booleans, and numbers. After this, you'll progress to learning about conditional statements and loops. And in Module 2, you will build on what you've learned in the first module by learning about arrays, objects, and functions. You will also learn about bugs and errors. In Module 3, you will learn about the functional programming and object-oriented programming paradigm, which includes function calling, recursion, and scope. With scoping, you will learn how to use var, let, and const. Furthermore, you will learn about object-oriented programming, and you will design and build an object-oriented program. You will also learn about advanced JavaScript features like destructuring arrays and objects using for-of loops and template literals. Additionally, you will learn about data structures and the spread and rest operators. You will also learn how JavaScript is used in the browser. In this module, you will have an opportunity to practice updating the contents of a web page. Module 4 is all about testing and compatibility. Therefore, you will learn about types of testing and you'll write a unit test. You will also be introduced to Jest and learn how to write tests with Jests in an exercise. And you will learn about test-driven development and get to practice applying it too. You will also learn about JavaScript testing challenges, which include learning about Webpack, transpiling, and working with arrow functions in React. As part of this module, you will also learn about other JavaScript environments like Node and NPM. In Module 5, you will have an opportunity to put your new skills into practice by creating the Little Lemon receipt maker. In summary, this course provides you with an introduction to JavaScript. It is part of a program of courses that leads you towards a career in software development. You have probably encountered many new technical words and terminology in this video. Don't worry if you don't fully understand all these terms right now. Everything will become clearer soon. After all, this is part of the reason why you are taking this course.